I made a crypto channel and this is how much I earned in the first 2 months of creating it. Crypto channels are all the rage these days, with some creators reportedly earning a fortune from them and some reportedly earning high RPMs. And like many of you, I was curious to see if it was really true. So I decided to take the plunge and start my own crypto channel and document this journey. This channel will be faceless with minimum to zero editing required, and from filming to editing a video will take me only 10 minutes a day. Will this work? Well, you gotta watch the video till the end to find out, and I'm here to show you exactly how much money I made from uploading on this channel and whether it's worth it for you to start your own crypto related channel. The results may surprise you, so stick around and let's dive into my journey of starting a crypto channel and see if the hype is real. First step was choosing the type of crypto content I will be uploading. Choosing the right content type from a crypto channel was a challenge. With so many different options available, it was tough to pick just one. There are people making crypto signals content, investing content, trading, mining, new crypto coins and more. But as a newcomer to the world of cryptocurrencies, I found that creating reviews of crypto mining websites was the easiest and most profitable choice for me. Not only were there new mining websites popping up every day, but there was also a little competition in this niche. There weren't as many channels doing the same as me. Also, I have another type of niche that isn't very competitive that if you guys want me to create a separate channel for using AI or any other things, then do let me know in the comments down below. Now, getting back to the topic, recording and uploading a video took me only 10 minutes a day, making it an efficient use of my time. And if that wasn't enough, there was another major reason why this content type was a perfect fit for me. I'll reveal that reason when I show you the revenue I earned. So with my content type decided, it was time to create my channel and move on to the second step. The second step was to create a channel and start uploading content. Creating a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort and consistency, and that's exactly what I did. I uploaded daily without thinking about the views and the subscribers, but luckily for me, I already had a head start with 500 subscribers because I already had a channel lying around on which I stopped uploading. If you guys want a video on creating a faceless channel from scratch using AI or any other idea, do let me know because I appreciate you guys commenting and I reply to every single comment. Now back to the topic. All I needed was 500 more subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to reach the monetization threshold. And it didn't take long. Within a month, I hit the goal of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. As I already told you guys, there was not many channels doing the same thing as me. And there was an audience for this. So it was pretty easy and fast, as well as one of my videos even went viral, which helped me reach the milestone even faster. At last, what felt like an year has passed. And now I applied for the YouTube monetization program and got accepted. But my excitement was short-lived. I thought the monetization program would be my ticket to earning the bag and becoming a crypto millionaire. But after I joined the YouTube partner program, my dreams came crashing down. And in a minute you will understand with why I say that. For 2 months I uploaded regularly and uploaded like up to 50 videos. Now let's get to the part you guys all came for. Let me share with you the analytics of my first 2 months with a monetized crypto channel. In the first month, I was pretty hyped and motivated, so I uploaded about 22 videos as you can see over here, and received a total of 11.8k views, which isn't that bad and isn't that great at the same time considering the amount of videos I uploaded, along with gaining 155 new subscribers. The second month, I uploaded about 25 videos and the most I uploaded was 3 times a day, but that brought in about 8.8k views only, with 155 watch hours and 102 new subscribers. Even after uploading more videos in the first month, the second month was not so great in terms of views. Now let's get to the part we all have been waiting for the revenue I earned in these 2 months of being monetized. In the first month, I made a whopping $5.43 and because of this revenue, I was made the world's richest man, leaving Elon Musk look poor. Now, getting back to the topic, in the second month, I earned about $4.74. And now this isn't million we are talking about, it's dollars, $4.74. Now I know this is a large amount of money, but I guess you can make it with the help of crypto content on YouTube. So if you add both the months, the total revenue is $10.10 with the RPM of 50 cents and the CPM of $2.17. If you don't know what RPM and CPM is, then in simple words, RPM is how much you're gonna earn per 1,000 views you get on YouTube. And keep in mind that one of these months was December, which is considered to be one of the high RPM months. Now you might ask why I showed you only the 2 months revenue. That's because I kinda got busy in real life stuff, plus the revenue wasn't worth the time since I made the channel for money making purposes. You can probably see why I said my dreams came crashing down. However, there is an upside to this. I mentioned earlier that there is another major reason why the content type I chose was the perfect fit for me. But before I reveal that reason, a lot of you might think that just by uploading crypto content or finance content, you might earn a lot of money. But according to my experience with this channel, I came to realization that it isn't the case. There is another major factor, and that is the countries where you're getting your views from. Meaning the location of your audience. When I looked at the analytics and saw the top geographies for my views, I noticed that the countries I was receiving the views from had very low CPM compared to the US, UK and other countries. As you can see the difference. So it doesn't matter if you make financial content or crypto videos. Other factors such as geographical locations can impact your revenue. I hope this helps you understand the importance of considering all the factors that impact your revenue. The major reason I chose this was, aside from earning through YouTube monetization, my chosen content type was a perfect fit for me because I was able to earn from other sources as well. What I mean by that is that my content involved reviewing crypto mining websites. I would review the site, explain how it works, show how you can sign up, withdraw and all that, and then I would provide my affiliate link in the video description. This way I would earn a commission from those who signed up using my link, and even more if they made a deposit. So in addition to earning from YouTube, I was able to earn through mining on my own and the commission I received using the link. If you're curious about the earnings from all these sources combined, drop a like and let me know in the comments. Maybe I'll make a detailed video on this on the future. I can tell you this much, the earning is much better than what I made from that YouTube channel. So there you have it, my journey of starting a crypto channel and my experience with earning money through it. I still have the channel running, I still upload, but not as much as I used to upload. So maybe I'll make a video where I upload on that YouTube channel for 30 days and make a video on how much I earned and how that performed. But while my dreams of becoming a crypto millionaire through YouTube monetization was short-lived, I discovered that there are other ways you can earn money through affiliate links and mining. And despite the low CPM from certain countries impacting my revenue, I still found success in my chosen content type. If you're interested in starting your own crypto channel, be prepared for some challenges, but don't let that discourage you. Who knows, with the right strategies, you could potentially earn more than what I did. Also, I wanted to ask you guys if you guys want me to make a video about how to start a faceless YouTube channel, content ideas for it using AI, then do let me know in the comments down below. That would help my channel a lot, and that would help my video get reach and would motivate me for me to make more videos and be consistent, since that's the main issue for me right now. I lost motivation to upload, but now I'm trying to again. Like and comment below if you're curious about my combined earnings, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. I'll see you guys in another video. Till then,
peace out.